यहाँ पर पहुंच चुके हैं रॉबर्ट वाड्रा से। रॉबर्ट वाड्रा ने कल भी जब यहाँ पे लंच के बाहर निकले तो उन्होंने दोनों हाथों से हम दिखाते हुए और ये कहीं ना कहीं उन्होंने कहा कि जो उनके साथ आज जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं, जो चीजें वो पूरी हो चुकी है, अब ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं पॉलिटिकली मेरे पर अटैक किया जा रहा है। जी
Well, all right, Javed, thank you very much for sharing more details in this. And right now, in fact, let's also learn more breakings that we are tracking. According to the sources, Robert Vadra's statement will be recorded today under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, that's the PMLA. Sources have revealed that the ED's main line of questioning is going to be around the source of payment that has been made by Vadra or the use of the land in the Gurugram. All right, Javed, as far as the questioning today is concerned, it is very crucial to understand that what are the other points on which now the ED officials are going to be grilling Robert Vadra, as 2 days have already been passed, so much so information could have also been recovered. While the statement from Robert Vadra is concerned, which continue to launch a witch hunt jibe on the BJP or the centre, what is that the ED is now looking forward to probe and grill him against? All right, Anand, as the Gurugram land deal case explodes, it's the third day of, in fact, Robert Vadra in the ED grilling time, when day 3 of questioning will be underway. What are you picking up as far as a line of questioning is concerned, Anand?
Yes, I mean, look, the amount that was paid by Robert Vadra, that was around 7.5 crore for the 3.5 acre land that his company Skylight bought from the Omkareshwar property. And clearly, a complaint was filed with the Gurugram police in 2018, and that became the basis of the FIR that the Gurugram police filed. And on that note only, the enforcement directorate took over the case. So this is the third case in which Robert Vadra is facing probe by the financial probe agency. And for the first time only, the ED had recorded his statement on April 15th, that was on Tuesday. So clearly, Robert Vadra will have to answer that how and from which means he paid rupees 7.5 crore to Omkareshwar Properties that his company bought from them of 3.5 acre land. And then they will be also focusing on that how the mutation was done in within 25 hours of the land was bought by his company, and then also after few months when the land was sold to DLF by Skylight, then the prices had gone up as he sold that land, 3.5 acre land to DLF for a whopping 58 crore. So on these angles, the ED will be questioning that he bought the land for 7.5 crore rupee, and then within months he earned rupees 50 crore profit on the same land. So the angle will be that was he aware that the prices of these lands will go up in the coming days only, within months only. So the ED will be also asking him questions in regard to this. However, Robert Vadra has clearly maintained that in the earlier cases he has given the enforcement directorate over 23,000 pages of documents, and he has appeared before them for more than 15 times. And this is nothing but a political vendetta, as whenever he speaks or whenever he raises the issue of common people, then the government tries to suppress his voice and they target him because he comes from a family that is of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. So clearly, this is all to malign the image of the Gandhi family and nothing else. So these are the statements that Robert Vadra has earlier given. And even yesterday, while he appeared with before the ED for the second consecutive day, along with his wife Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, he has given a message that all these actions of the enforcement directorate will only make him stronger. So clearly, Robert Vadra is not budging, and he has said that he would be going down to the tactics of the enforcement directorate or the government. Back to you, sir.
Thank you, Anand, in fact, for sharing more details. Now, meanwhile, the storm over the National Herald case intensified.